Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix TNT not working on your Apple TV. Now you might want to learn how to fix this issue if TNT isn't loading, or it keeps buffering, or it keeps crashing. And these issues can basically prevent you from using the app. Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the way that I fixed my TNT app not working on my Apple TV is that I went into settings. And then from here, you want to click on system. And then you want to scroll down to where it says restart. So what this is doing is that it's restarting your Apple TV alongside any apps within it. Now, while this is happening, also make sure that your connection to your internet is stable and it's actually connected to your Apple TV. So this might involve you having to restart your router or connection so that you can actually reconnect your Wi-Fi to your Apple TV. The other thing that you can do is that you can actually go ahead and make sure that your TNT app is up to date. The way to do that is you can click on the App Store, and then in the App Store, you can click on the search bar here and then look for TNT. So if we go into the letters, we'll just type in T and there's TNT. So once you click on TNT, you just want to make sure that there's no update button over here. So right now it says open, which means that my TNT app is up to date. The other thing that you can do is that if we go back to the home page, click on settings, and then from here, scroll down to where it says system. And then from here, click on software updates, and then click on update software. So that right there, guys, is going to be the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix TNT not working on Apple TV. But if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.